2007 Acura RDX. Making this video for how to test a knock sensor with the scope. The code is P0325, knock combustion vibration sensor A circuit. So to test the sensor with the scope, you go on the scope, and so my setting is 5 volt and 500 millisecond time base. This is a new sensor. So setup is scope ground goes to the body ground of the sensor, and the yellow wire, which will be a signal wire, that would go to the channel 1. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna tap on the sensor and we should see vibration signal. So you gotta compare what the signal looks like. It's a new sensor. That's the one I just took out. So let's tap on the sensor and see what it looks like with the good and bad. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's a good one, and let's look at the bad one. Okay, so that's a bad one right here, and let's look at the signal. Look at that, how hashy it is. So that's how you bench test the knock sensor. We'll replace the sensor and clear the code. Should be it.